picked up a ZuluSCSI SD Drive. It's the internal version, so it's gonna be replacing this floppy drive right here. All right, back cover is off. First thing we have to do is remove the floppy drive. And then this should slide right in. We also gotta remove this connector here for the SCSI. We got 4 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Floppy drive is out. To install the drive, make sure you install it like this. If you don't put it like this, those holes won't line up with the other holes. SCSI board is installed. Next thing we gotta do is remove this connector here. It's gonna be replaced by this. Connector is installed. We gotta plug that cable in. Kind of route it like this for now. I might remove the SCSI board, put this underneath, we'll see. All right, SCSI drive is installed. I'm gonna put the SD card in right now. Turn it on, see what happens. Please insert disc. All right, hold on. Make sure you plug in this power into that cable. All right, let's try this again. And it does read it.